Let's talk Azure Blob Storage. Azure Blob Storage is a highly versatile and scalable object storage solution offered by Microsoft's Azure Cloud Platform. It is designed to store vast amounts of unstructured data, which can include text files, binary files, media content like audio and video, backups, and more. Blob storage can manage thousands of simultaneous uploads, reads, and deletions, making it an incredibly agile solution for businesses and developers that require seamless data operations. Key components: container. Similar to a directory in a file system, a container holds one or more blobs. Blob, a file of any type and size that sits inside a container. Blob metadata, additional information that describes the blob's content, use case, or any other relevant data. Advantages: 1. High scalability. It can store petabytes of data, making it fit for high-scale applications. 2. Durability and availability. Offers multiple options for data redundancy across different geographic regions. 3. Security. Supports Azure AD-based authentication and back policies, along with shared access signatures, SAS, for more granular permissions. 4. Cost-effectiveness. Lifecycle management features allow you to automatically transition data between different storage tiers to reduce costs. Use cases: 1. Content delivery. Serves static resources like images, videos, and documents directly to the end users. 2. Data archive. Secure, long-term storage for archival data. 3. Big data analytics. Frequently used as a source or destination for big data scenarios. 4. Backup and disaster recovery. Can be utilized for backup of both on-premises and cloud solutions. Summary: Azure Blob Storage is an object storage solution designed for storing unstructured data in the cloud. It consists of containers, blobs, and blob metadata. Offers high scalability, durability, security, and cost-effectiveness. Common use cases include content delivery, data archive, big data analytics, and backup and disaster recovery. I trust this will be a valuable addition to your tutorial content on Azure Blob Storage. The service's capabilities make it a linchpin in the Azure cloud ecosystem, rendering it indispensable for a myriad of applications. Types of blob storage. Azure Blob Storage offers 3 types of blobs: block blobs, append blobs, and page blobs. 1. Block blobs, ideal for text and binary data like documents, media files, etc. 2. Append blobs, best suited for append operations, such as logging data. 3. Page blobs, perfect for frequent read/write operations and are generally used for VHD files. Features: 1. Scalability. Built to handle massive amounts of unstructured data, easily scaling up or down. 2. Security. Offers various access controls like back and SAS tokens. 3. Data redundancy. LRS, GRS, RAGRS, and ZRS offer a plethora of options for data replication. 4. Lifecycle management. You can define rules to automatically move blobs between hot, cool, and archive tiers. Purpose and usage. Azure Blob Storage is predominantly used for document storage, storing large files and serving them to users. Backup and restore, being a reliable option for backup solutions. Streaming video/audio, due to low latency and high-speed data retrieval. Data analysis. It can be integrated with Azure HD Insight and Azure Machine Learning for big data analytics. How to make use of it. 1. Portal creation. Create a blob container through Azure Portal. 2. Access control. Set appropriate permissions, private, blob, container. 3. Blob uploading. Upload blobs using Azure Portal, Azure SDK, or REST API. 4. Data operations. Utilize Azure Functions, Logic Apps, or other Azure services for more complex operations. Summary. Azure Blob Storage offers 3 types: block blobs for text and binary data, append blobs for logging, and page blobs for VHDs. Key features include scalability, security, data redundancy, and lifecycle management. Purposes wide-ranging: document storage, backup and restore, streaming, and data analysis. Usage: create through Azure portal, set access controls, upload blobs, and engage with Azure services for advanced data operations. Thanks for watching.